What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to go over getting my first payout from the 100K live account from MyForexFunds. We're going to go over my first 30 days of trading this live account so you can see some of the statistics behind that. And then I'm going to show you some other statistics behind how difficult it might seem based on these numbers to get to the point that I'm at, but I'm going to share some tips to hopefully help you reach this point and further as well. If you're new to the channel, my name is Austin Silver. I really appreciate you being here. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy videos about day trading, if you enjoy videos about crypto trading, if you want to learn more about how you can get funded and day trade with other people's money, I've got a link for you in the description. We just ran a really great webinar, getting a lot of good reviews. You can sign up for free. You'll see the replay right away, and you can enjoy that content as well. So that link is in the description. But first today, I want to show you the payout from MyForexFunds. So let's take a look at my screen. The first thing you're going to see here today is the certificate from MyForexFunds showing that I passed phase 1 and phase 2. I always want to show you guys this because not a lot of people even make it to this phase. I was given this certificate on December 16th of last year. I also want to show you another 2 screenshots here. This is the email from Coinbase showing the $2,966 deposit. And here is the email from Ricardo at MyForexFunds telling me that I got my first payout of $2,966.15 for the bonus from the evaluation account, the 112% refund, and the phase 2 bonus. So there you can see the first 30-day profit split, the refund, and the phase 2 bonus are all included in this $2,900. And then they ask you to go post it. I'm doing them more than that. I'm making them a video, and they didn't even ask me to do that. I don't get paid for this video, by the way. I'm not promoting any specific company. I'm using MyForexFunds, as I've talked about in other videos, but you guys should do your own research before you go with any company. I'm an educator. I'm never going to affiliate myself with one of these companies because I just want to help you guys trade. I don't care what company you decide to do it with. So to avoid the conflict of interest, I keep it kosher. Now here you can see my Coinbase account. You can see the deposit of $2,966 completed on January 20th. The only issue with this withdrawal process, in all honesty, it's been really easy to follow like their rules of how they explained it in their Discord of how to get the money and who to email. Super easy. And I have a friend on Instagram who's a part of their customer support, and he's been helping me. But because they had a delay with some of the Coinbase payouts, I initiated the withdrawal on a Friday, and I didn't get the money until the following Thursday. Now, it was a bank holiday the next Monday, so I gave them Tuesday and Wednesday, but by Thursday, I was like, yo, what is going on? And then it showed up on Thursday. So they gave it to me, and it wasn't that difficult to get, and they did blame it on Coinbase, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. But that was the only hiccup. So far, so good. Now, this was my first month of live trading. So if you take a look at my FX Blue here, you'll see the account now is cleared out, closed back at 100K. Because what they do is they take your profit. My closed profit was $2,900. That profit is what they withdraw, and then you get 75% of that, plus the bonuses, and that's how I got up to $2,900 on my payout. So my payout kind of looked exactly like my percent gain for the 30 days. But you can see here, total return 2.9%, peak drawdown 0.6%, 60% win rate over 32 days. 82% of my trading was done on Bitcoin, and you can see my average winner is slightly bigger than my average loser, which is something that I was working on. And of course, I got to show you this, the consecutive wins and losses. I was able to string together a 12 win streak once. I was able to string together a 7 win streak twice, a 6 win streak twice, and my biggest consecutive losing streak was only 5 consecutive losses, and that only happened 3 times. So I'm really proud of these statistics. My risk reward ratio, 5.4, I think that that's pretty good. So not that there was a negative with the withdrawal process. It did happen. It was a little bit longer than I expected, but they gave it to me. The only other negative that I've encountered so far is because they closed this 100K out, they give you another 100K account. Now with this second 100K account for the second month, they don't give you an investor password. Now I've been asking my guy behind the scenes on the customer support side to see if he can get me this investor password. Otherwise, you can't sync that second month of live trading to either FX Blue or MyFX Book. So you can't get the detailed statistics that I like to share with you guys like you see in front of you here. The only thing that they give you now is this back end, which has my account number. It shows I'm up $72 this month because I was just testing out the account. I guess I should talk about that too. So when they gave me the account, it was still in read-only mode too. So I couldn't place any trades. So that's why you can see I'm only up $72 because once they told me I was out of read-only mode, I just came in and took a quick Bitcoin trade, and that was a small position that I just closed in profit to make sure that I could actually trade this second month. So I guess that's another little hiccup, but it was fine. Like, it was resolved pretty easily. You just got to be patient because I'm thinking they've got so many people that are blowing them up. If you go to their live chat on MyForexFunds and you go to their website, there's like 150 people in the queue at any time. So you have to understand that they're not going to have 30 customer support agents yet. They're still a new company. So I'm patient, and it, plays out in my favor if you try to be patient. So there you can see this is the new back end. It does give you some of the statistics, the win rate, the average return per trade. It's a little bit different. Trades per day. Haven't really done anything. You can see that's why this doesn't look like much. It'll show you the trading history, but not the same statistics that I like on FX Blue. So if you guys are watching at MyForexFunds, I'm second month deep in a 100K live account with you guys, which most people don't make it to. You should at least give me an investor password because I'm already a part of a small percentage of people. You should try to take care of us as best you can. You know what I mean? We're the people that are going to continuously be able to trade well with you guys. So that brings me to one other thing I want to talk about. I've talked about this in other videos, so I'm not going to linger on it, but just the amount of people that make it to the point that I've been able to make it to with this company is very, very small. In November, they had 5,700 people take some type of a challenge, set up a new live account, and then from there, only 571 people passed phase 1, only 24% of that 571 passed phase 2, and then only 3% of that 24% passed their first month of live trading and got the payout like I just showed you at the beginning of this video, which is about 4 people out of 5,718. So just keep that number in mind when you go on social media and when you go on YouTube looking for information about trading. Most people that are talking about it, as you can see with these statistics, can't trade consistently well. There's one other statistic down here, and if you want to read this for yourself, go to myforexfunds.com and just search stats are back in their blog. It's really easy to find. But down here they say there's only 5 traders who are on their 8th month of payouts on live evaluation accounts. 5 people out of, guess 40, 50,000, I would guess, people that have tried to take this challenge. So it's a very small number of people that can consistently stay profitable, if not just not give up or not blow their account violating the rules. So it's a very small group of people. So just keep that in mind when you're studying. Now, going forward, you see I have the back end here with the MyForex Fund. You're not going to see any more FX Blue. I'm actually headed out of town by the time I'm posting this video. You're probably coming in, you're seeing this on like the back end of my trip. When I get back, my plan is to get the 200K demo account, pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and then combine that with this 100K live account. So I'll probably be letting this sit here for a while, and in my next video, you're going to see a 200K demo, probably. Unless I have some mind-blowing revelation on the ski trip that makes me just say, I'm going to trade just this 100K, which I don't think that makes any sense. The idea with working with this company was get more capital than I could have on my own. So we got to get to the 300K. So now you've seen the payout, you've seen the statistics, you know where I'm going to be at going forward as far as showing you the statistics. One other thing I want to talk about today. Tom, the Kaizen trader, Vince is going to put his username right here in the edit. Make sure you guys go check out his blog. He's taken a lot of time to go into detail on every single trade he takes. These are not 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph explanations. It's multiple paragraphs with multiple chart markups. If you guys really read these, you're going to actually learn a lot about the way that we trade at ASFX. And if you aren't connected with Tom already, I highly recommend you follow him. Shoot him a DM. He's more than willing to talk and share, not just the way that he approaches markets. He'll maybe even share some valuable spreadsheets with you if he likes you enough. So definitely follow Tom. Definitely check out the blog. I'll make sure there's a link for that in the description. All right, guys. So now you've seen where I'm at on the second month of the 100K live account. Like I said, that's probably going to sit for a little bit while I focus on the 200K, which I'm still going to keep you guys posted as I pass phase 1 and phase 2 with that. You saw the payout proof. You saw the certificate. I think I covered everything for today. So if you have any questions about getting funded, if you want to see that webinar that I mentioned earlier, that link is in the description. And make sure, like I said, that you connect with Tom. His links are in the description as well. I appreciate your time as always. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.